You just spent hours cleaning your house, but it still smells weird? You're not crazy, and you're definitely not alone. There are 3 hidden culprits you're missing every time. You've scrubbed, vacuumed, and mopped everything in sight. But that funky smell is still there, lurking somewhere. Here's what's really happening. Culprit 1. Your trash disposal. Food particles get trapped in there, rotting and releasing odors even when you think it's clean. Culprit 2. Your HVAC system is circulating stale air and dust throughout your home. Those filters need regular changing. Culprit 3. Moisture trapped in carpets, curtains, and upholstery becomes a breeding ground for mildew and musty smells. The solutions? Clean your disposal with ice and lemon, change air filters monthly, and deep clean soft surfaces that trap odors. These are the spots most people never think to clean. Still can't find the source? Our professionals know exactly where odors hide and how to eliminate them for good. Call Bear Brothers Cleaning today for that fresh, truly clean home you deserve.